Welcome to Graphic Quiz. Today's quiz is on Adobe Illustrator. A statement will be given, and you must determine whether it is right or wrong. You can create multiple artboards in a single Illustrator document. This statement is right. Use artboards to design multiple layouts within the same file, great for projects like social media posts or brochures. You cannot edit text once it is converted to outline. This statement is right. Convert text to outlines only when the design is finalized to avoid losing the ability to edit. Illustrator can only export files in vector formats. This statement is wrong. Illustrator can export in various formats, including PNG, JPEG, and PDF, for different needs. The pen tool in Illustrator is used for drawing freehand shapes. This statement is wrong. The pen tool creates precise paths with anchor points and curves, ideal for custom shapes and logos. Illustrator does not have pre-made shapes like circles or rectangles. This statement is wrong. Use the shape tools to create rectangles, ellipses, stars, and polygons quickly. Illustrator can be used to create animations. This statement is wrong. While Illustrator is great for design, animations are better suited for Adobe Animate or After Effects. The eyedropper tool allows you to copy both colors and text formatting. This statement is right. The eyedropper tool can sample colors, gradients, and even text attributes like fonts and sizes. Illustrator allows you to add effects like drop shadows and glows. This statement is right. Find effects under Effect, Stylize, and customize settings for shadows, glows, or other effects. You cannot crop images directly in Illustrator. This statement is wrong. Use the Crop Image tool in the control bar to crop raster images directly. The Pathfinder tool is used to combine or divide shapes. This statement is right. Use the Pathfinder panel to merge, subtract, or intersect shapes for creative designs. How many correct answers did you get? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.